Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the latest discount code offered by Pictory. It's called AMIN, and I'll guide you through the process of adding it correctly. So, let's get started. To begin, visit the Pictory website and navigate to the pricing section. Once you're there, you'll find various pricing options and features. All plans include AI-enabled features like text-evaded creation, automatic captioning, and subtitles. You also get access to over 3 million licensed stock videos. Now, you might notice they offer a free trial, but for using the AMIN coupon code to get a discount, we'll take a different route. Let's proceed to the sign-up process. During sign-up, provide your email address and choose a strong password that only you know. After entering your details, click on Continue to proceed. Once you've signed up, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. This is your Pictory dashboard, where you can access various features like script to video, article to video, video editing, and visual to video. To access the AMIN discount code, go to the top and click on Upgrade. Now, you'll see 3 different plans: Standard, Premium, and Enterprise, available on both monthly and yearly subscriptions. For this example, let's choose the Premium plan. Click on Buy Now. After selecting the plan, you'll be taken to the payment page. Here's where you'll enter the coupon code. Simply type in AMIN and click on Proceed. As you can see, the discount code is applied and the price decreases. It's now $37.60 instead of the original $47. That's a 20% discount. To complete your purchase, proceed to checkout using either PayPal or a credit card. Once done, you'll have successfully claimed the AMIN discount. And there you have it. That's how you access the AMIN discount on Pictory. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you found it valuable, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, and I'll see you all next time.